I'm Tamiko from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install the TrioGrow SnugLock 3-in-1 car seat featuring the Anti-Rebound Bar, rear facing with UAS. Before we can install, we need to attach the Anti-Rebound Bar. This has to be used in rear facing mode. To attach, just insert the tubes into the holes at the front of the seat and push in. You should hear a click. Make sure you pull on it to make sure that it's securely attached. Next, we're going to check to make sure that our tether is stored, and then detach your UAS connectors. Make sure your UAS strap is routed in the rear-facing belt path marked with the blue label. Next, we're going to make sure that our car seat is in one of the rear-facing reclines marked with the blue label. Make sure you check your level indicator to make sure it's in the proper range for your child's age. When placing your seat rear-facing on the vehicle, make sure that the base is at least 80% on the vehicle seat. You also want to make sure that your car is on level ground and the car base is flat. Next, we're going to expose the rear-facing belt path. To do this, we're going to move the seat cover out of the way. Undo the snaps at the top and the bottom. Make sure you pull through the buckle. Next, you're going to open your SnugLock lock-off. Just going to pull on the lever. Then you're going to connect your UAS connectors to the UAS anchor in your vehicle. We're going to check to make sure our UAS strap is routed in the rear-facing belt path. If your buckle is in the innermost slot, your strap should be in front. If your buckle is in the outermost slot, your strap should be behind. Now we're going to remove the slack. You're going to pull on the free end of the UAS strap while pressing firmly in the center of the car seat. Then close your lock off by pressing down, and you should hear a click. Now you can test for tightness by grabbing at the belt path and moving the seat side to side and front to back. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch in either direction. If it does, open the lock off, remove more slack, and close the lock off again. And test for tightness. Now you can check your level indicator to make sure that it's still in the correct range. Next, you can replace your seat cover. When you replace the seat cover, make sure that the buckle slot lines up with the buckle in the seat. Make sure you pull your harness straps back to the front of the seat. And now you're ready for baby.
Now that your seat is installed, you're ready to buckle your child in. You want to check for proper harness height. When in rear-facing mode, the harness straps should be at or just below your child's shoulders. Then connect the buckle and connect the chest clip. Tighten the harness using the strap at the front of the seat. After tightening, move the chest clip up to armpit level. Last, do the pinch test. You should not be able to pinch any extra slack at your child's shoulders.